Hello and welcome again. In the last video, we talked about what is Git and what are the use cases of it. And in this video, we'll be starting the initial setup of Git and how you can start doing Git commands in your terminal. So before even trying to implement any of the command in your local, you first need to install Git in your machine. In my case, I'm using a Mac and Git is already installed in my machine, so I can use it. I can simply type in Git and it will give me a bunch of commands that I can use in for my different purposes, right? So I'm in a directory called Git 101, which will be our playlist, and here you can see I don't have any of the folder or file right now. So if I type in Git status command, which simply tells what is the status of Git, it simply says it's not a Git repository, so I cannot execute any of the Git command in this directory. And to make this directory a Git folder, I simply need to say git init and then it takes a path. In my current case, I want to make this current directory as a Git repository, then simply I can press dot and it will take the current path and it will initialize it here. Now it says initialize empty Git repository in my directory. Now if I type in L or ls, then you can see a new directory which is .git is been created now, right? And if I do tree, then I can see I don't have any of the directory or files. But if I go to this .git directory, I can see there are a bunch of files already associated with it. What are these files and how we can look into them? We'll look into a detailed video because it's all about how Git works internally and how we can do internal things on them. But basically these are object refs and hooks and head files. If we simply need to look head, it refers to the main branches, and we'll talk about the concept of branches later. But in this case, I'll simply move back, and now if I press git status, now I can see it says on branch main, no commits yet, nothing to commit because I don't have any file. So now basically we can see that this is a Git repository now, and GST is the alias which comes along with the inverted such item terminal which I am currently using. If you want to know more about the item terminal and how we can set it up, you can simply put it into comment and then I can try to create a separate video on that. But this is just an alias of git status command, and yes, now we have a Git repository, and later command we'll see in the next videos. Thanks for watching this one. Thank you.